Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones setups for today. So we have broken through some structure, but we do have a bit of pin bar support on 45.75, and I think we got a bit lower. We just missed the level below, which was 44.33. Now, if we just get your levels into the upside here, that's the next logical resistance. But look at all these tails in this zone. So if we go down through the time frames, you're going to see a couple more areas of resistance in this zone. So nothing really else to write home about. This is looking a little bit overextended. You know, the markets aren't linear. As you can see, they're up and down, up and down. So you're looking for the down, the support, for an opportunity to buy. Now, when we look at it on the 3 hour, you can see what I mean by lots of other levels start coming into play. There's one right here where price is. If it would get there, there's one just below price at the moment. So strong zone of support that we're in. I don't think I want to be jumping in long at this level. I'd want to wait a bit lower down. Important thing is we've got a crossover all the moving averages, which is positive. So that's what you're looking for at the moment. You're looking for a decent pullback onto structure. Now, if you look at Friday's price action, we sort of started falling, and then confusion, complete confusion still, but nevertheless in an uptrend. Oscillator separated nicely, explosive move back to the upside to break the high of the day and set a new high of the day. So I would be on the hunt for a long, and it's going to either be 46.60 or 45.75. Those are the two 1 hour levels I'd be paying attention to. But if you look at the 15 minutes, you'll probably see a little bit more structure. So any one of these tails obviously can hold up price, and there's a nice juicy pin bar here, which we did not really defend, and that lines up with the 150 EMA. So being a Monday, we could range and come down to 4500 area, and just above it is 45.75. So there is a zone of support there. Look at my oscillators at the moment. They're lining up for a half decent move to the upside. Then you have this massive tail over here, and I think this would be my chance. So 46.51. You're looking for an entry here. It's a massive stop loss if you go below the low of Friday. But I would wait for the structure to form. So inside bars, engulfing bars, pin bars, and then just take it like 100 points below that. That would be your stop loss. I know there's no structure that you're going to go below, but I don't want to risk 270 points. I'd rather risk 120 points or so. So that's the one option, is looking for an opportunity of 46.50. And then the other one, obviously, would be a break of this range that is forming here, which would be at 47.55. And your target for both of them is going to be up at 48.78. That's kind of my view that I see today. I don't see anything else. Definitely don't want to be short. Looking for opportunity to buy off support. And those are the support areas I can see. Remember, it is Monday, so it's normally quite muted and normally a range type day. But you never know. There could be a Fed jumping in, or you could be some other central bank, or anything can actually happen, which would just spook the market in a direction, up or down. So just keep your wits about you and just watch those levels. When you see the supports and there's pin bars, inside bars, engulfing bars on any of the levels I've given you, take the trade above the break of that structure, stop below it, and as soon as price gets moving, just move your stop to entry. I always wait for that first pullback and then break of the high of that first pullback, then I move my stop up. And then you've basically got a free trade. Anyway, that's it for me today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.